Robotnik's fortress!
Yeah, and we're in a hurry, so you better this thing.
You got it, buddy. But the stop at Robotnik's bunker is canceled. You're going up
The island of Corridai.
Scratch? When do you think we'll land?
Probably sometime in the next episode!
There goes my SSSSSSSS squad! All those metal morons have been a disappointment since day one! This is the weapon which will allow me to control Mobius once and for all. The
Mickey Mouse!
Matter. Hold! It's positively cool. With this device, I'll be able to every citizen on Mobius.
All that is mine, O sovereign of
Pingers.
But first things first. Right now, it's time to kick back, eat
Chris Rock!
and chill out. Maybe chill out was a bad choice of words.
Mobilized. Beautiful.
Roxas! Roxas! Huh? 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. With a...
Over 9,000!
Chance that it was caused by Robotnik. In fact, that scream sounds kind of familiar.
Who was that?
Robbie Rotten.
Oh, we almost went killed. The agony of
Michael Bay!
We got servitude chips that make us completely obedient to our glorious leader.
You mean
Marcellus Wallace!
Oh, I guess so.
First, I'll bury that pesky hedgehog with the Ultra Freezomatics Avalanche Activator.
What's happening?
There's a big pile of white stuff headed for us, and I don't think it's whipped cream.
Pingers.
I was getting tired of all these winter games anyway. Yahoo! Yeah! Boo-boo-boo-boo.
Blast that pesky hedgehog! Oh!
Don't! Sorry, Hedgehog, but your little friend has an appointment with the doctor! Dr. Robotnik, that is!
you're a major evil dum-dum-dum-dum-dum?
Why, thank you.
And I don't evil dum-dums.
Ah, but you'll have no choice. You'll be under my power. The Servitude Patch. A servitude chip for living, breathing pests like you. And you have the honor of being the first one to try it.
It'll never work.
We've got you now, Hedgehog!
Yeah, your fox friend's on our side.
Now that he's got a servitude chip, he does whatever we tell him!
No kidding? Whatever you tell him?
That's right!
Ah, too easy. Bet you can't make him dance the flat-foot floogie.
Sure we can. Dance the flat-foot floogie.
But I bet you can't make him take off his own foot.
Oh, yeah? Watch!
You're going the points beyond.
This setting focuses the Freezomatic's power into a very small area. I call it Frozen Concentrate. Now, I just target Sonic. What? What? How did I get in the middle of Lazy Town? What the? I'm not Lazy Town. A painting?
Now! He landed in Lake Splatterhorn.
Targeted. Don't worry, you'll get out.
I hate that hedgehog!
Kids, get it together. Take care of your
Pingers!
If it goes to pieces, so could you.